Teal by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
Whoa! Another expansion pass? So soon? Amazing! Impossible! Both! Alright, let's do this. Tonight, for this episode, we're drawing the new characters that are going to be added to the Pokédex for the new Scarlet and Violet expansion pass. And the name of it is called The Hidden Treasure of Area Zero. Area Zero. Interesting. I've heard of a place called Area Zero, but not like this. This is amazing. Let's start by drawing the mask for this new guy. Their names are Teal Mask and Indigo Disc. Those are the names of the characters that are going to be in this show. A lot has happened the last time I drew for you guys. And it was one time, remember when I saw Jurassic World Live? I'm already in the process of uploading it to my channel. If you already saw it, then you already know by now that it's already been uploaded. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw the Teal Mask. I'm amped to see what secrets and what hidden mysteries the Teal Mask has. There's only one way to find out, and that's to find out when the game is released. As the adventure begins now.